my name's Beverly. I'm with Babes, Bullets, and Broadheads. I'm here with Larry Brewer today. He's the operations manager here at Assurance Corporation in Lawrenceburg, Tennessee. This is actually where the Plotmaster is being made. Terry Pigg, he's actually the supervisor over the Plotmaster, and he's going to walk us through the Plotmaster line.
You've got your fixtures here, all your tubing welded up, and then it goes to paint, and then it comes back to final.
So what is here? What's hanging here?
Over on the line is your 300 unit, which is being built now, and the ones behind you here is the 400 units.
Okay.
The difference is between the 3 and 4s is your seed box. Your 400s is a little wider than your 300s. This is a 400 electric.
Okay. It has an area where it's going to move up and down.
Right. This is your control box for it. It simply just plugs into this, and then you plug into your clips here, hook it to any power supply, and then here's your switches. One of them is for your motor that runs your seeder. The other one is for your actuator, which will raise and lower your wheels. All your Plotmasters, they come with all your seed charts here. This is a list of seeds that you can plant. It also tells you how many pounds per acre to put it on. This is your adjuster. It will adjust from 1 to 7, depending on how much seed you want to put out per acre.
I'd like to thank y'all very much for having us ladies today, telling us about what all goes on here at Assurance, and we appreciate it.
Thank you.
We're here today to plant a couple food plots with the Plotmaster 400. We're using our Polaris 500 ATV to actually pull the Plotmaster. This is the Plotmaster Electric 400. We're going to plant a little smaller food plot that's almost half an acre. It's going to be a Biologic Clover Plus. Then later we're going to go over to a bigger plot that's almost an acre. We're going to plant the Biologic Biomass. So stay tuned. We'll show you how easy it is to use the Plotmaster. Okay, we're back about after 30 minutes of actually using the Plotmaster, tilling it up. Looks really good. We're going to use today in this small plot, we're going to use the Mossy Oak Biologic Clover Plus. We're actually going to use this whole bag here. It says 2 pounds per 1/4 of an acre, and that's about what this little plot is. We've just finished tilling up our second food plot. This one is the bigger food plot of the two. It's almost an acre. I'm just going to raise the Plotmaster up here. In this food plot, we're actually going to use the Biologic Biomass. This is a little bit bigger seed, so this is going to take, as I was showing you earlier, the Hunter 400 seed chart. We used the 1 for the clover. This time we're going to use a 4 or a 5. We're going to use the drag this time behind the seeder, and also the cultipacker, which is going to just cover the seed up a little bit and pack it in. The food plots are now planted. I have to say that this Plotmaster 400 has been one of the easiest pieces of equipment that I have ever used. I truly suggest one to anyone that has land, that puts food plots out, or has a big garden or anything that needs tilling. Easy to seed with. I'd like to thank Assurance of Lawrenceburg, Tennessee for letting us do the walkthrough, see how this piece of equipment was actually made and where it was made. Lawrenceburg is our hometown. I would also like to thank Plotmaster for letting us use this piece of equipment, see how easy it is to be used, and I suggest it to anyone. If you'd like to have one or need any more information on one, you could contact us at www.babesbulletsbroadheads.com or email me at bsisk@babesbulletsbroadheads.com, and I can give you any information that you need.